Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in an Instagram group chat. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on your feed, tap the message icon in the top right corner to open your direct messages. Here, you'll see all your individual and group chats. Next, scroll down and open the group chat where you want to create the poll. At the bottom of the conversation, you'll see the message input field. Tap on the plus icon on the right side of this field. It might look different depending on your device. A pop-up menu will appear. Tap on poll. Now, a new screen will open where you can type your poll question and add your answer options. Enter your question in the poll question box. Then add your answer choices one by one in the options section below. Once you're ready, tap on Create Poll at the bottom of the screen. Your poll will be sent and group members can vote. You can check the results by tapping on the poll. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.